and in this video we are learn about handle a simple event and Android application. So let's start. Create a simple project in Android Studio. It create a Hello World application and then start with the handling event. We don't require this Hello World, so remove it. Add a button to handle the event. You can handle event on other component also, but in this we are using button. Add some text on button, like click here. In Android application you can handle events in two methods. In XML file you can define a method which you want to execute, and in Java you have to implement on click listener. First use XML file to handle event. Define here a method which you want to execute after clicking on this button. Let's operation is the method which you want to execute after clicking on the button. In the main activity you have to explicitly define the method which executed when user click on that button. So our method is operation and it is from a user interface, so pass a view object which is on which this operation method is implemented, and then print a simple toast on a screen when user click on button. Here is message, event is happened, and then how much time. It is toast dot length dot long, then dot show, which shows this toast on the screen. Let's test it. Now application get started. When you click on this button, a simple toast message is generated, event is happened. This is. Now let's start with another way to handle an event. For this we need a ID of this button, so set ID for this button. Give any ID you want to give, like ptn1 I give, and then remove this, so we create another one. Now create one button object, button b1. You have to import class required packages, and we should link this button with the button which is visible to the user. For that use find you by ID method, which link between these two buttons. Select ID of button which you are giving in the XML file. So now handle event on P1 button. So now in this type, this on click method is executed when user click on the button. Make some toast to be displayed when user click on this. Get application context from our message is second type event. Then last one is how much time you want to display the text, and dot show to display the text. We don't need this, we'll remove it. Now let's test it. Now application gets started, and when we click on this button, the simple